Hi everyone, welcome to Clarity 1620 Feature Supportability Training. This is Denise Saladay. The topic we will review is action items. In this release, we added a new action item notification template. It will only apply to those action items that you create in Modern in the Action Items library. It does not apply to any process action item notifications. Let's take a look at the new action item template that's available now in Classic. Navigate under Administration, Notifications, and it'll be on the Notification Templates tab. The first item that appears here, just called Action Item, this is our new notification template. And notice that we defined this simply. We have the subject variable defined in the subject and the body variable defined in the body. And this is going to be derived from the action item itself in the Modern Action Items library, and we'll take a look at that next. So we'll navigate to Modern, under Administration to the Action Items library. And the action item that we're going to use for my example is capital expenditure approval. You can see that it is an action item against the project object. And I've defined a business rule to trigger this action item whenever you change the cost type on a project to capital. Now in our template, under the subject, we had a variable at subject. It's going to pick up the subject from your action item. In this case, it will be capital expense approval for, and then the project name. And it'll do the same thing for the message. And we have a two-line message here. Please approve the capital expense for the project, and it has the name and the code, and complete within 1 week. The first place that this notification template will be used is in Classic under Organizer, Notifications, and you can see here that the action item for e-commerce portal project has been triggered from this particular action item. And I'm receiving a notification here for it. Notice that the message matches the same message body that appeared in our action item. Paula is also set up to receive action item notifications via email. So the next place that this template will be used is in her email notification. Notice that the subject for the email matches the subject in the action item. Also, the message here matches the same message that we had in the action item. This new action items template will only be used for those action items in the action items library in Modern that you create here under this tile. It will not be used for process action item notifications. Also, in Modern today, we currently do not support action item notifications, so they will not appear here as well. And last, when you have the capability active for responding to action items directly via email, users don't receive an action item notification in that scenario because instead they directly receive their action item in email and they take action directly in their email. They don't need to have a notification. This concludes supportability training for the topic of action items. Thank you.